Welcome to Crypto News Hub. Solana, one of the world's largest blockchains by market capitalization, is opening a permanent physical store in Manhattan, New York, which will act as a cultural center for the project. A standout element of the Solana Spaces store is that it will feature an interactive art installation, as well as offering users the chance to check out using Solana Pay. The new store, which is located in the Hudson Yards neighborhood, boasts a non-fungible token gallery featuring the Degenerate Ape Academy collection. The Solana-based collection is comprised of 10,000 algorithmically generated 3D apes. At Solana Spaces, the interactive art installation displays real-time visualizations based on what is occurring on the Solana blockchain in terms of transactions and minted NFTs. The one-of-a-kind shop is littered with Solana-branded merchandise for sale, including limited-edition Blanksoles sneakers. Earlier this year, the decentralized sneaker company Blanksoles announced a partnership with former NBA champion Meta Sandiford artist to launch a series of Solana-based NFTs and physical sneakers. In addition, Solana Spaces accepts cryptocurrency as a payment method, with Solana Pay facilitating transactions for customers. Beyond this, the store also offers tutorials for the Phantom wallet and Magic Eden. Notably, Phantom is a popular non-custodial crypto wallet designed for Solana, which has over 1 million users. Hit the subscribe button for daily crypto updates and watch these other videos as well. This is not financial advice. Trading involves risk. Do your own research or consult a financial advisor before you trade.